gonna show you the unboxing of this Echo Show 5. I got this one on a Prime Day and it came in today. So yeah, let's do the unboxing then. So let's take a look at this Echo Show. Yeah, actually it's nice. It's just like a size of compare this one to a smartphone. So it's just like, it's just small. Let's remove. There you go. And let's see what else in the box. The user's manual, card, and the power adapter. Alright, this one has the power connector USB or micro USB. And then the audio 3.5 connector, and that's basically it. And there's a camera, and you can turn it off or mute that, and then the plus or minus or the volume up and down, and the mute. Alright, so it finishes the update, so this is the main screen.
We're glad you're here. It's time to get you and your Echo Show 5 off and running. Here
Actually,
are
the
three
audio,
things to
it has
try
a little
first.
bit bass
Number
on it,
one,
so it's
use
a
your
good
voice.
sound, I would say.
You could say something like, Alexa, play happy music.
Okay, here's a station you might like.
It's loud,
80s pop on Amazon Music.
Number 2, try using the touchscreen.
Okay, I'm gonna skip this one then.
Number 3,
Not sure if I can
choose
skip
your
it.
perfect clock face.
Yeah,
To
I
get
cannot
started,
skip it,
say,
so.
Alexa, customize my clock. This is just the beginning of things you can do with your Echo Show 5. For more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? Welcome to your new Echo Show 5.
Alright. Okay. No thanks. No thanks.
This device is ready.
Alright guys, that's the the initial setup. It takes about a couple of minutes, maybe 5, I would say 10 minutes to update it, and it reboots twice. So after that, it's all, it's good to go. It's all set. It's easy to configure. It looks nice. I think I'm good with this one. I like it. And then probably sooner I'm gonna get the bigger one, the Echo Show, the 10-inch. Alright, and thank you for watching, and please like and share if you like the video, and see you in my next video. Ciao.